Okay, hi everyone, this is Leon here from Gardens with Purpose. Some of you might know me as Joanne's son. Basically today I want to share with you something interesting. As you can see on the floor here, the concrete here, can you see some of these plants growing out of the concrete? One here, there's another few more over here. Okay, so some people who do not recognize this plant might think that, oh, these are weeds, let's get rid of them, you know. Wow, sorry, it's a very hot day today. Yeah, so some people might think that these are weeds, let's get rid of them, but they do not know that this plant is actually Mexican coriander. Okay, you can see the leaves are a bit sharp here though, and these are the leaves. So what happens is that if you're trying to grow coriander, you know, like the local version would be like wang sui. If you're trying to grow wang sui at home, it's a bit difficult in Singapore context due to our weather. It can be done, but needs a bit more care. But instead of growing wang sui, why not try growing Mexican coriander? As you can see, they are very, very hardy plants. They're very resilient. You know, they can grow from the concrete, and we don't even water these plants much. You know, we just neglect it there, and they just keep growing. The medical benefits are the same, even though the plant look very different. They taste pretty much almost the same, just a stronger taste. And these are really easy to grow. We obviously did not plant these plants here. You know, we have actually a couple of pots of Mexican coriander above here previously, and the seeds fell, and they start growing easily. So sometimes it is easier to not change your environment. I know a lot of people will advise to change the environment. Sometimes we do as well, you know, to suit the plants. But maybe sometimes it is easier to change the plant to suit the environment. And you know, if plants can grow easily in an environment, they're actually meant for you. You know, for the people in the vicinity, the indigenous people. The indigenous plants are for the people there. So I hope this is a little, you know, tip for you that, you know, start growing plants that are easier to grow. Because why? They require a lot less work, and chances are they have nutrition values that is more suitable for people who live in the area, which is people like you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope to see you again. So goodbye.